So in this video I'll be reviewing the Roush 3-piece rear spoiler. It is made out of a durable ABS plastic. It's a 3-piece spoiler. It does require some drilling. It does require some troubleshooting, but it does look good after, at least in my opinion. It's big enough that it's noticeable and it's not wimpy as the stock spoiler that comes with this Ford Mustang. But it's not so big that it's obnoxious or like a race car style. So what do you get when you order this Roush 3-piece spoiler? Of course you get the 3 pieces of the spoiler, you get the hardware, you get a template, you get instructions, you get the 3M tape that you're going to use to adhere this along with the hardware. I installed this myself, not a professional here, but the curves and this dip and the spoiler really helps to bring together the 3 pieces even if they aren't perfect. I'll put the description and I'll put the link in the description box below of where I got this 3-piece spoiler. I did not buy it pre-painted. I actually got it painted by Ford at my local Ford dealer. They're real good guys over there. They have decent prices. It's not overly priced, and I like working with them. As you can see, I fixed the gaps and it looks a lot better now. So what's the difference between the Roush spoiler and the stock spoiler, you say? Okay, so here we have a side-by-side comparison. Stock spoiler, the Roush spoiler. As you can see, the Roush spoiler is probably about double the size and width of the stock spoiler and a little bit longer on the sides. Right there, it's truly centered. And there you go, that's the Roush 3-piece spoiler for all 2010 to 2012 Mustangs.